Hello gorgeous people, my name is Sukanya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share my easy and simple minimalistic skincare routine to achieve naturally radiant skin. Due to the weather changes and festivals, skin dullness is a common skin concern. So I have curated this simple and quick 3 to 4 step skincare routine to keep our skin well nourished. Let us start with a DIY face pack at home. I am going to make a face pack using some curd or yogurt and mix it with this 100% natural rose petal powder face pack by Ria Organics. I have taken a big spoon of curd in this bowl and I will mix 1 small spoon of the rose petal powder in it. Make a thick, creamy paste and apply it all over the face evenly. This powder is made from dried rose petals, rich in antioxidants and vitamins that help brighten and rejuvenate the skin. Curd is packed with lactic acid which gently exfoliates dead skin cells, tightens pores and gives a natural healthy glow. It also cools and soothes the skin, making it perfect for all skin types, especially during hot or humid days. If the mixture feels too thick, then you can add a few drops of water or rose water to adjust the consistency. After application, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. You will feel a gentle tightening effect as it dries. Then rinse it off with cool water and pat dry with a clean towel. Since I wanted to create a minimalistic skincare routine, today I am going to skip a lot of steps and combine them all in one step only. I'm going to use this Ossia Herbals UV Shield sunscreen. This is a thick cream-based sunscreen which is super hydrating and moisturizing as well. So I want to skip the skin hydration steps with toners and face serums and also skip the moisturizing step because this sunscreen is all in one. This UV Shield sunscreen has SPF 50 PA+++, sunblock formula enriched with papaya and green tea extract, and it also has a broad spectrum of UVA and UVB protection. Let us see the texture and consistency with the application. It has a thick, creamy consistency and it's suitable for all skin types. It provides protection against ultraviolet rays to prevent sunburn, tanning, hyperpigmentation and premature aging. It increases skin hydration as it is a blend of natural herbal actives like papaya and green tea extract that deliver antioxidant benefits to help prevent free radical damage while nourishing and brightening the skin. It has a paraben and mineral oil free formula. It is water resistant and gives a non-greasy finish. It gets absorbed into the skin pretty well, leaving no white cast. After applying a nice thick layer of the sunscreen, I'm going to leave my skin as it is. I mean, just look at it. My skin feels super hydrated, plump and well nourished. It is very non-greasy to touch. Even though you get a shiny glowing look, the finish is super good. Now I'm going to focus straight on my lips. I'm going to apply this cranberry-flavoured naturally tinted lip balm that I got from the House of MG from Ahmedabad. I absolutely love this lip balm. It smells so yummy and just look at the red tint on it. It is made up of all natural ingredients only. It has organic beeswax, shea butter, castor oil, olive oil, soya oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, licorice extract and cranberry flavor. I'm just gonna take this much and apply it on my lips. So yummy. Lastly, for my body care, I'm going to use this Nivea Nourishing Lotion Body Milk. It deeply nourishes the skin with 2x almond oil. I genuinely love Nivea products. They are pretty gentle on the skin and are suitable for all skin types. I really like the consistency. It is super duper lightweight, yet keeps our skin hydrated for 48 hours. This was my minimalistic skincare routine to achieve naturally radiant skin, especially during weather changes and festive season to avoid skin dullness. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Then give this video a big thumbs up and also share it with other skincare lovers. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and my content and connect with me on other social media handles. Alright then, bye bye gorgeous people. I'll see you all in my next video.